Imagine this. You're in the middle of a bustling marketplace. Vendors are shouting their best deals. Strangers are discussing weather updates. And a street performer is sharing tales from a distant land. Now picture yourself walking through that same marketplace wearing noise canceling headphones and a blindfold. Sure, no one knows where you're headed or what catches your attention, but you're also missing out on all the useful and entertaining tidbits that make the marketplace exciting. This, dear reader, is the modern dilemma of privacy in a nutshell. Privacy, the great fortress. Privacy is your castle, a place where you get to control who enters, who stays out, and what's shared beyond its gates. In the digital age, privacy means keeping your browsing habits, shopping lists, and cat video preferences under lock and key. Tightening privacy settings feels empowering. After all, why should a random algorithm know you've been binge watching 80s sitcoms? But let's face it, the moment you declare war on sharing information, certain conveniences start packing their bags and leaving the party. No location data, say goodbye to accurate weather updates tailored to your area. No sharing your interests. Watch as your news feeds turn into a bland mix of irrelevant content. Think tips on raising llamas when you're allergic to fur. The trade-off tango. The reality is simple. The more you guard your data, the less the digital world can personalize experiences for you. It's a classic trade-off. Here are some examples to chew on. Navigation versus privacy. GPS apps like Google Maps rely on your location to suggest the fastest routes, but they'll also quietly note your favorite coffee shop. Opting out means staying private, but risking getting hopelessly lost in downtown chaos. Shopping versus anonymity. Personalized ads can be spooky. How do they know I need socks? But they're also better than irrelevant ads. The alternative. Wading through endless promos for products you'll never buy. Healthcare alerts versus data safety. Wearables and health apps can notify you of irregular heart rate or missed steps, but they do collect sensitive health data. Not sharing means missing potentially life-saving insights. Evolving privacy regulations. Recent years have seen significant advancements in privacy laws and regulations to protect consumer data. For instance, Minnesota Consumer Data Privacy Act, effective from July 2025. It grants consumers rights over their personal data and imposes obligations on businesses regarding data collection and processing. Texas Consumer Privacy Act introduced stricter rules for protecting minors and limiting the sale of location data, ensuring apps anonymize user data unless explicit consent is given. These laws reflect a growing trend toward empowering consumers with greater control over their personal information. Technological advancements and privacy. The integration of artificial intelligence into consumer devices has introduced new privacy considerations. Apple's AI features. Apple's AI capabilities, like Apple Intelligence, have raised concerns about access to sensitive data, such as banking and health information. While Apple claims secure processing, users are advised to review and adjust privacy settings to safeguard their data. These advancements underscore the importance of staying vigilant about how emerging technologies may impact privacy. balancing privacy and convenience. The good news is you don't have to live in an either or world. It's all about finding your sweet spot on the privacy spectrum. Here's how. Be selective. Share data only with services you trust and understand. Always read privacy policies, or at least skim them like a caffeinated squirrel. Use privacy tools. VPNs, ad blockers, and privacy browsers can help reduce data trails without cutting off all digital perks. Opt for transparency. Look for platforms that allow you to customize what you share. Companies that respect user control often provide better balance. In the end, choosing between privacy and convenience is like deciding between chocolate cake or ice cream. It depends on your cravings. What matters is knowing the cost of each choice and being okay with it. Recent regulatory advancements and technological progress remind us that we need to stay informed to navigate the trade-offs of modern privacy effectively. The marketplace of the internet is noisy, vibrant, and full of opportunities. Blindfold optional. So, what's your take? Will you build an impenetrable fortress of privacy or crack open the gates for a little slice of convenience? Whatever your choice, make it consciously. Stay safe, stay secure, and if you need tips on balancing the act, don't hesitate to ask. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.